This huge mistake when remodeling your bathroom can actually cost you a lot of money in the long run. This is something that a lot of people may think that is actually going to save them money as of right now, and they can get done a little bit later on when they have a little bit more money or a little bit more time. However, this can actually cause a lot of problems in the future and may actually end up costing you a ton more money when trying to do the other parts of your bathroom. Maybe you guys already know what I'm talking about, but today we are going to be talking about why you should avoid remodeling your bathroom in parts. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into today's topic. Remodeling your bathroom in parts may seem like it's not going to be a huge deal. You can get one part done right now, for example, the shower, and then you can get maybe the rest of the bathroom done. So maybe the bathtub, the flooring, the vanity, mirrors, everything like that in a different time. However, this can actually cause a lot of problems in the future, and you may actually end up not being able to do the second part of your bathroom if you end up not doing the whole entire project at the same time. Now, there's actually a few different causes why someone might want to remodel one part of their bathroom first before doing the rest. Now, this could possibly be because they're still budgeting. Maybe they don't have enough money to do the whole project at the same time. Maybe their shower is leaking and they need to have it done as soon as possible before they do the rest of it. These are all crucial factors of why someone might want to do one part of their bathroom first before doing the rest. However, doing so may actually cause it to be difficult to do the rest of the bathroom and more expensive. The reason to that is because if you do one part of the bathroom, for example, let's say a shower, we recently just finished a project where we just remodeled the shower because this client had the shower which was completely falling apart. The tiles were very old. They were actually laid on drywall, which of course is how it was laid back in the day. Everything was moldy and it was coming down really fast. It was leaking through their ceiling downstairs, and that was causing a huge issue. They were unable to use that shower. So of course they had to do it as soon as possible. And in this case, they weren't ready to do the whole bathroom at one time. They didn't have enough money for the whole entire project. So they started with the shower. So we remodeled just the shower. It's a beautiful, nice looking shower now. Now this was a master bathroom, and part of the things that they wanted to do in the future was to remodel their old and outdated tub into a freestanding tub. However, this causes a little bit of an issue now because we have one of those slab pieces which the glass is now leaning on that is actually connected to the current tub. So in order to change the tub to a freestanding tub, it's going to be very complicated now that everything is really connected to each other to the new shower. In an ideal scenario where you can actually have the shower that's disconnected from the actual tub, and you can do the shower first and then do the rest of the bathroom, then of course it may not be a huge issue, but it is going to definitely be more expensive to do it that way. The reason to that is because if you're doing it all at one time, the contractor is definitely going to be able to give you a lower price, maybe a discounted price, because you're doing it all at the same time. Because once they're there, they have their tools there. It's better to just knock it out all in one time so that it saves you a lot of money. But having to rehire either the same contractor or another contractor to do the rest of the bathroom after you just redid your shower is now going to be more expensive because they have to come in again with their tools, lay everything down, and now they have to be extra careful to not ruin the actual new part. So if you have new shower glass in there and you are now looking to rip apart the old flooring, you're just going to have a lot of that porcelain or ceramic material just kind of going all over the place. So you'll have to be extra careful to not damage the new part of the bathroom, to not ultimately shatter the new glass. So this is exactly why this can actually cause a huge issue in the long run if you're looking to replace the rest of your bathroom in the future. And this is why your entire project is ultimately going to be more expensive than you initially thought you could pay. So definitely, if you do have that budget and you do have the money right now and you're ready to do the entire bathroom, I would definitely do the entire bathroom at the same time instead of doing it in separate parts, because it is going to be much more expensive as a whole to do that entire bathroom if you decide to do it in parts. But of course, a lot of people have different situations. So if your shower is leaking and you need to have it done as soon as possible because you don't have anywhere else to shower, then of course you have to do the shower first before you can do the rest of the bathroom. But I hope you guys can use this video to help you understand whether or not it's a good idea to do the whole bathroom at the same time, or if you can do it in parts. If you guys did enjoy this video and found it helpful, it would definitely help me out if you guys left a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you guys have any questions about this topic or any other topic, definitely make sure to leave it in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to respond to you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.